ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and we're going to do our giveaway for the Monument Grills Tabletop Griddle. This is the model 56000. This is the one they're going to give away. It's a pretty nice little griddle. I've been using it, making little stuff, and I'm going to use comment picker on my other phone. We'll record that, and we'll pick a name. We'll pick 3 names because there's going to be 3 lucky winners. But before we get started, I want to thank Monument Grills for even offering me this giveaway. That's very generous of them to offer not just 1, but 3. I think that's just incredible. So I'd also like to thank everybody for participating, everybody that's watched the review. And, you know, if you don't win, there is a link below if you want to just go purchase one. The one to the link has the lid. The one with the lid's pretty cool. This one here does not have the lid. And then I have to apologize for the scammer that tried to ruin our giveaway. I had a couple of subscribers that contacted me and said, hey, I think you got a scammer. I went in there as fast as I could, tried to notify everybody to ignore that. They wanted you to text a number, blah, blah, blah. And I apologize for that. I hope that if you did text that number, I hope they didn't get any money out of you or anything out of you of value. You know, I don't know why people have to do that. But we got rid of them, and hopefully we can just get through this. The winners can enjoy this new little griddle. So, let's just do it. I've got this already set up on my phone, like I said. Let me get my screen recorder set up here. All right, screen recorder. Okay. Start recording. Okay, I've got to add 8 plus 4. Okay. See how many comments there were. There were 48 comments that with the hashtag Monument Grills. So 3 out of 48. Chances look pretty good. Let's let me get this thing. How am I going to do this? I got to get it so you can see it. All right, so we're going to start the random draw right now. I'm going to push the button. Okay, here we go. Pit Smoke. Hey, Charlie. Congratulations, Charlie at Pit Smoke. If you haven't seen Charlie's channel, definitely go check him out. All right. Let me get rid of this ad that's on here. Maybe. Okay. Now let's see. Random picker. Let's pick another winner. So Charlie's the first winner. Congratulations, buddy. That's awesome. Okay, here we go. Number 2, Tony Wagner. Okay, congratulations, Tony. That's pretty awesome. I don't know Tony, but hey, I hope you're a new subscriber. That'd be cool. I'm going to pick another number right here. And you can see on this thing, it counts down. All right, here's the 3rd one. Cross your fingers. Hold your mouth just right. Pick. There it goes. Mark Rambo. Hey, buddy. Congratulations. Mark's been a long time subscriber. I know that's awesome. Okay, so the 3 winners, here's what you got to do. I know Mark and Charlie are subscribed. Monument Grills will be checking subscribers to make sure you also subscribe to them. If you haven't, get over there and subscribe. And then in the description below, if your subscriber, when you subscribe, if it's hidden, you need to uncheck that box to make it public. And there's directions down in the description below on how you do that. So make sure, you know, they'll check. I already know 2 of you have, and we'll check the other one. And anyway, if you didn't subscribe to them, they'll disqualify, and we'll have to do something. I don't know. Anyway, so what you're going to need to do is send me an email to this email address. Include your YouTube channel name if you have one, and include your name and your address. And what I'll do is I'll send those over to Monument Grills, and they will send you the tabletop griddle from them, not from me. All right. So anyway, congratulations to the winners. I hope you guys enjoy it. I think it's pretty cool. And hey, I hope you all have a great evening. Come back, Mondays and Thursdays, we'll put up some cooking videos, and hope you join me. Take care.